Right, we're back and we have got the Monopoly Panini Prizm booster pack. So there is a game that you can get, and then the cards help you in the game. They've got numbers on the back, and they're all based on the World Cup. So they've got legends, they've got men's, they've got women's. They've got all sorts in them. And if you're really lucky, in some lucky packs, there are some numbered ones and lots of different colours and designs. They look nice cards. Okay, you get 6 packets, Phoenix?
Yeah.
4 in each. And
4 in each. That's
what are we doing?
We're gonna attack the pack.
Attack the pack. Okay, so let's look.
Good one.
A green Paul Scholes, Man United.
30.
That one there, 89 years. So that's 30 or 35. So there's only 35 of those.
There's none of these.
Wow, so that's a good one.
35 only in these in the whole entire world.
Yeah.